All right, Mr. Orman, you may proceed.
Can you hand me that handheld microphone there, please?
Thank you. I am handing you what has been marked for identification as People's Exhibit 467, 468, 469, 470, 471, and 472. And if you could please take a look at those and tell me whether or not those are things that you found in the trash bag next to the dumpster. And let me direct you to this.
Yes, these items were found in the black garbage bag by the dumpster.
Your Honor, move to admit those exhibits 467, 68, 69, 70, 71, and 72.
Ms. Spengler, any additional objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right, P-TR-467, 468, 470, 471, and 472 are admitted without objection. P-TR-469 is admitted over objection based on the ruling I made at the bench.
Thank you. And if I can go over to the document camera, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you. We're going to please, can I just stand over here while I do this, Your Honor, since I'm going to have to manipulate these?
As long as you speak into the microphone, yes.
Thank you. If we can please put up 468. And if we can move that over, please. No, this way. There we are. And then zoom in on the top of that. And can we zoom in a little bit more, please? Okay, thank you. What does that say?
Welcome to Best Buy, number 217, Aurora, Colorado.
And if we can please move that up so we can see the next portion of that. All right. Does it show what is being purchased there? And actually, does it show a date of purchase?
Yes, I believe it's 7/18/2012 on the receipt.
And you may be able to actually see it with the monitor in front of you as well. It may be up on that. I don't know if that's easier for you. If we can go through the items purchased, what does it show?
The first item listed, there's probably a serial number, but it's a C4 pack, I believe copper top, probably batteries.
Are you familiar with the brand name Copper Top battery?
Yes.
All right. There's another Copper Top. What does it say below that?
There's two C4 pack copper tops, and there's a 12-volt alkaline photo 2-pack battery.
And then what's next to that?
The one below that is a 9-volt 2-pack copper top battery.
And next?
A digital vinyl CDR.
And next after that?
Is a Memorex CD MP3 boombox.
And after that?
Is an amphibious super tank.
What's the total purchase price?
The total purchase price with tax is $163.54.
And then if we can go back, see there's a MasterCard number with the last 4 digits. What are those 4 digits?
The last 4 digits are 2217.
And what's the name underneath?
James E. Holmes.
Thank you. Next, we're going to put up that part right there. 472. And if we could zoom in on the top of that. What is that? What is the company name on that?
The company name is International Armor Corporation.
And underneath the company name and the address and everything, what is it? what type of product does it say it's referring to?
It says ballistic panels.
Thank you. Part of the same exhibit. If we can zoom in on this part right here. So is this another shipping label?
Yes, I believe it to be a shipping label.
And who is it addressed to?
James Holmes, 1690 Paris Street, number 10, Aurora, Colorado.
And who is it shipped from?
It is shipped from International Armor Corp, 1315 Cali. I have trouble reading that address, but San Clemente, California.
Okay. Now, if we can show this one, please. Which is 471. And if we can zoom in on the top, please. Zoom out a little bit, please. Okay. Can you see that?
Yes,
What store is this from?
from Target.
What's the date?
The date is 7/14/2012.
All right, if we can move down on that a little bit and over so we can see what the purchases are. Just out a little bit, please. Okay, what does it look like is purchased on this receipt?
It's from the grocery department. The first item is Orbit, the second is Sour Patch, and then there's 2 Morton purchases, and then Diet 7-Up. ANTIX, I'm not sure what that stands for.
And below that?
DT Sunkissed Oranges,
And then next, underneath that, is it a different department?
Stationery Office.
What does it look like is purchased there? Or what's the name of the thing that's purchased there?
The objection is sustained.
What's the name of the thing that's purchased there?
No Brand Pilla, P-I-L-L-A,
What's the price on that?
$4.99 each.
How many purchased?
2.
Okay, if we can go down a little farther, please. What's the subtotal there?
The subtotal is $33.66.
And then there's a MasterCard with the last 4 of the MasterCard. What is that?
The MasterCard number, the last 4 digits are 2217, and the total charge is $35.07.
Okay, just one more. Actually, 2 more. I'm sorry. Actually, you know what? Let's just use. And this is 469. Now that's blown up, but what does that look like to you?
It's a movie ticket receipt,
What's the movie theater?
Century Aurora,
What's the date and time of purchase on that?
July 11th, Wednesday, 2012, 10:30 at night.
And what's the time of the show?
I think it's Wednesday, 10:35 p.m., July 11th, 2012.
And the price?
The price is $9.
Thank you. We can take that down. Oh, one more thing, one last thing. 470, please. Do you know what this item is?
I believe it to be a name tag for James Holmes.
And what does it say at the top?
The University of Iowa Neuroscience Graduate Program.
And were all these items found in the same place in the same bag?
Yes.
Thank you.
Your Honor, that concludes my direct examination.
Okay, Ms. Spengler, do you have cross-examination?
I do not.
All right. The jury may have some questions for you, sir, so I'm going to ask you to give us just a moment, please. All right, would counsel please approach? All right, sir, the jury has submitted a couple of questions, and I have found, based on the rules of evidence and other applicable rules of law, that both questions are appropriate. The first question is, how many black trash bags did you locate on the side of the dumpster?
I believe there were 2 trash bags on the side of the dumpster.
The next question is, how many bags belonging to the defendant were inside the dumpster?
The items inside the dumpster were loose, so I don't believe there were any bags specifically belonging to the defendant in the dumpster. The bags belonging to the defendant were outside the dumpster.
Any follow-up questions based on those questions, Mr. Orman?
No, Your Honor, I would just ask to publish the physical exhibits admitted through this witness.
Any follow-up questions from you, Ms. Spengler?
No follow-up questions.
All right. Sir, thank you. May this witness be released from his subpoena?
Yes,
Any objection?
No objection.
All right. And Mr. Orman, which exhibits are you asking to publish? Because some of them have been published already.
I will. Just to make sure, Your Honor. 467, 468, 469, 70, 471, 472, 466, 453, 458, 460, 457, 462, 455, 454, 456, 464, 463, 476, 474, 475, 476, 465. $475.
Is there any objection, Ms. Spengler? Okay, all right, the request is granted, Ms. Spengler and Ms. Gerlings. Sorry. Ms. Gerlings and Ms. Sagal. And do the same thing we did yesterday, please. Thank you. the record should reflect that we just finished publishing all of those exhibits mentioned by Mr. Orman. Members of the jury, it's 10 till 10. I know it's a little early for our morning break, but one of you indicated that you needed a break. So we're going to go ahead and take our morning break now. Please keep in mind that the advisements I've been giving you throughout the trial apply during the break. Enjoy the break. I'll see you back here in 20 minutes. Thank you. The record should reflect that we are now outside the presence of the jury. Everyone may be seated. One of the jurors handed a note to one of my bailiffs asking for a restroom break after this, and so that's why I decided to take an early morning break. Is there anything we need to talk about before the break, Mr. Orman?
Your Honor, the people are not going to need any of that evidence from this morning for the remainder of the day at the very least, so we don't need it in the courtroom and if the court staff wants to take it somewhere else.
All right, we might do that now, or we might do it during the lunch break, because we'll have more time then. Anything on behalf of the defense? No. Okay, enjoy the break. Thank you. The court will be in recess.